welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, I believe, the 18th of April, and I have a new cooking idea for you guys, a new recipe. So today I decided to make a black bean, well, not a black bean, but a bean soup. And then that sandwich, remember if y'all watched my grocery haul video, I had a lot of cheeses. I said I would make something that was a favorite, kind of like a comfort food. And I wanted y'all to guess what that was because I had a lot of cheeses. But you will see what it is. It's basically grilled cheese, but a little fancy, kind of with a twist. So, yeah, here we go. Now I have this vegetable broth that I bought. It's 32 ounces. I bought 2 of them to kind of fill up the pot right here. I have one simmering down, so we're just going to add the next one. Now, I want to have to be the majority of broth. If it's a soup, it has to be a lot of broth, you know what I mean? Not too many, it's not going to be hearty or anything like that. It is, but it's not. It's going to have a lot of ingredients, but I still want it to be kind of brothy. So, instead of just having the 32 ounces of vegetable broth, I'm actually going to add some water to one of them. That's something that my mom taught me. So, yeah, I'm going to add a little bit of water from the sink into the pot and let that simmer down with the soup as I cut up everything else and add it to the soup. So we're cooking that first, and then we're cooking the grilled cheese next. So you'll see what the ingredients are for that. And I'm excited, y'all. I can't wait. So I filled it up to about half of the box. That's probably about a good 2 cups. We'll say about 2 or 3 cups. And we're pouring it, adding it to the pot. Alright. And we're letting that kind of simmer down, letting that cook down. And I'm going to show y'all which beans I'm adding to the soup. I have it over here. So we have black beans, great northern beans, Dakota kidney beans. I have 2 cans of this, so that's what I'm going to add today, about 2 cans of kidney beans. Now this may be a lot of beans for some, but like I said, I'm a vegetarian, so if you don't want to have too many beans and you still want to have like a good ounce of protein in your soup, as well as vegetables and everything else, try to add any kind of meat. Like I had veggie crumbles that I could have added to this, but I think I'm just going to keep it with the beans. I may add it a little later if I want to, because I have it pre-cooked. It's already made. I cheated a little bit because it's frozen. It's a Gardein brand. I believe I showed y'all it already. If I didn't, it's right over here. Where is it? I don't have the box anymore, the bag that it came in. So it's just to know it's a Gardein brand. It was pre-cooked, pre-seasoned. All I had to do was put it on the stove to warm it up. So grab that Gardein veggie crumbles for your tacos or your soups if you want to add some protein. Or you can just use chicken or, you know, beef, whatever, turkey, ground turkey. Yeah, to your soup, to your bean soup. So we also have some garlic over here that we're going to add to it, that minced garlic. And then we have baby spinach for the greenery, and then some kale. Alright? Now we're going to add the beans first so they can cook down. It shouldn't take too long. And then we're going to add the kale and spinach, and then we're going to season it up with the garlic. We have a little bit of onion that we're going to add as well in the seasonings. I'll let you know what seasonings I'm adding when I season it, okay? So let's open this thing up and then add the beans. Alright, so we're back. I had to open the cans and that took forever. I hate using this little, what do you call it, manual kind of can opener. So the electronic one, that's what I need to invest in. I have to open my cans more easily. But yeah, so I put the beans. I like to drain them because I don't like having the juices in them. Some people might just pour the beans straight from the can, but I literally have to take it and drain it in this colander right here. And now we're going to pour it in the pot. So here we go. Use my big spoon so I'm making a mess. So I like to use different kind of beans. Some people might just use a black bean or, you know, any other type of bean, a kidney bean. I saw some other type of beans in the grocery store that I never heard of. But I basically wanted a white bean. They may use different kind of vegetables like corn, carrot, something like that, which I could add, but I'm not going to do it today. I just want the main ingredient to be the beans, and I wanted it to be different colors, like colorful. So that's why I did that. What we also have for greenery is for vegetable. This is collard greens. I have them in the can because I just bought it that way. I didn't want to have to wash or cut up the regular collard greens, so I bought the ones out of the can. That's something that I have to open a little later. But for now, we're just gonna let those beans simmer down and add the rest of the ingredients. So that's it. Okay, so I added the beans to have them cook down. It's bubbling now, so I have turned it up to about a 9 on the dial right here on the stove. So I'm gonna turn it down to about a 5. So it's still, you know, bubbling, simmering down. Now we're gonna add the vegetables, okay? So what I have is, girl, you bound to make messes in the kitchen, so make sure you got paper towels ready, or at least a sponge or a wash rag that's already damp, ready for you to clean up, because you're bound to make some messes. Now I got the greens right here that I put in the colander. I'm gonna add a lot of kale. I'm thinking about not adding the spinach, maybe a little bit, because I normally use it for breakfast purposes, but I'm gonna use my kitchen scissors over here to cut it open. I'm gonna add about a handful. You know, spinach cooks down and it's like to barely nothing. So we're gonna add that first. Maybe last. We'll add that last. We're gonna add the kale first. Don't want to use all of the bag. So about 1, 2, 3 handfuls of kale. I got this big bag from Food Lion. You can probably get it from anywhere. It says it was triple washed and ready to eat. You know, if you buy the regular, like, organic kale by the bundles or the bushels or whatever that you pick out with your hands at the grocery store, you have to wash it when you get home. So I bought it in the bag so it can already be washed. You probably have to chop it up too, and I didn't feel like doing all that, so I'm cutting corners a little bit, cheating a little bit, but it's fine. I don't normally like to do that much work in the kitchen, but maybe I'll start being a little bit more fresh with my produce that I buy. Stop buying it out the can, you know what I mean? Out the back. So since these greens are already cooked, I'm gonna add that last, and then I'm gonna add the spinach on top of it. So right now, we're just letting this cook down and stirring. You know, kale normally takes a little longer to cook than other greens. Kale and collard greens probably take the longest to cook down when you add them in soups. So we're just going to stir it up and let that simmer. Probably turn it up a little bit to about a 7 so it can boil some more. And yeah, let the thing cook. Let that thing simmer. By this time, it just starts smelling really good. Like the vegetable broth and the beans and the greens are infusing with each other, and it's starting to have that soupy smell. So just to add a little bit more seasonings, we're going to add the nature seasonings first. And of course that has everything that you need for your vegetables. It's perfect for any type of vegetable seasoning. And that you see it is Nortons. I think I got it for like $2.99, $3.99. So it's pretty expensive, but yeah. I'm going to add a little bit of that first. A little bit of it. I'm heavy-handed with the seasoning. You already know, like, I love my stuff to be flavorful and, you know, rich and kind of zesty. So I'm very heavy-handed with the seasoning. I'm trying to not be, because that sodium levels, and I don't want it to be too salty. So bear with me, y'all. And yeah, we're gonna let that cook down. How y'all been doing? How's y'all's day going? This thing is about to be long. We're gonna give that about 5 to 10 minutes and then start adding the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Alright, so now we're ready to add the other vegetables. I'm gonna pour these collard greens inside of the pot. As I said earlier, they're pre-made, so I got them out of the can. I know it's probably not the healthiest, but I wanted it already made and pre-cooked, so I wouldn't have to wait for it to cook down. You know, sometimes soup takes the longest to cook because they have to simmer down and they have to, you know, boil, and everything has to kind of blend together and soak within the broth. So I wanted everything to be readily made. So yeah, I kind of cheated a little bit with that. But yeah, you don't have to add greens. You can literally get it freshly made or add whatever kind of green you want, vegetable you want. I think kale is the best, the most healthiest. The collard greens probably are a little bit more stocky, so it's whatever. Yeah, so that's cooking down. I added a little bit of extra kale, so that's fine. I used about 3 handfuls. So just as much as you like. Like I said, I wanted the bean to be the star of the soup, I guess you can say, what everybody did, main ingredient. So the vegetables was just the afterthought. But I thought it would make it even more healthy, so I didn't want to just have beans in it and nothing else, so, you know. So we added the greenery, the vegetables. Now let's add the onion that I chopped up on the side here. It was about a good 3 or 4 chops in a big white onion. So we have that. Add it there. You can add as much onion as you want. You can add, you know, bell peppers. You can add, you know, carrots, corn. I may add some shredded carrots since I have that as an afterthought. Let's add that as well. Yeah, you know I like to cheat. So, a lot of people like to make their stuff from scratch, or like buy it by the bundle or the bushel. Get it from, you know, farmers markets and stuff like that. So it's nice and fresh. I have to say that mine still isn't fresh, but you know how that goes. So I'll add about 2 handfuls of carrots. Now it's kind of like a vegetable and bean soup, but bear with me. I like it to be colorful. So we're mixing that thing down, letting it simmer. Of course, the beans are still the main ingredients, but now we have some more vegetables for our vitamins. This is supposed to be my healthiest meal of the day. You know, I said I was trying to be more healthy, so this is what we get for it. Okay, so stir that thing up a little bit. Now we're gonna add a little bit more nature seasoning. Like I said, I'm very heavy-handed, but some people just rely on the broth to do the seasoning enough for their stuff. I can't do that. I have to have extra seasoning, so we're gonna add that. I had this minced garlic that I said I had earlier that I showed you. We're gonna add about there's not measuring tools. Sorry, I was a little ratchet. I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of garlic. Maybe 2. I'm just working as I go. 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Okay, and then we have this Grill Master's roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Alright. We're gonna add a lot of that. But like I said, I like it to be flavorful. So use as much as you want. The broth is already seasoned, but I like to add a little extra just to keep it, you know, interesting. We don't need this seasoned salt. I'll just add a little bit of it. Very little. And then now we have the standard black pepper. It's pure and ground. Some people like it to be a little bit more hearty, so they get the ones that's like with the ring kind of pepper shaker or whatever. It's not as grinded as this one. This is the McCormick. And of course I make the other one that's more fresh, but this is the one we have today. Okay, so now we stir this pot. Everything is cooking down. Oh my god, I got too close to the steam. I almost burned my freaking nostrils. Girl. It smells so good though. It smells so good. What else do I have? It's a bean soup, and bean soup is normally kind of, what is it? Asian, I guess you can say, or I don't know the origin of it or who actually created the bean soup. But so I have some sriracha in my cabinets. I'm thinking about using a little bit of it. I'm just gonna taste it first and see if I want it to be spicy or not. I generally didn't, but my mind is saying something else. So maybe I'll add some sriracha. Let me see, let me get a bean in there too. It's my favorite part, tasting my meal before I eat it. Almost burnt my tongue. Okay, so it's good. Oh my god, I think it's hot. So I'm gonna add a little bit more roasted garlic and herb. Okay, I'm gonna add some more. What do we have? Seasoned salt, because I want it to be a little saltier. As you know, the broth kind of soaks that up, and the greens soak that up, and it makes it kind of, well, even more flavorful. So where's my spoon? Here. I'm going to stir the pot. Make sure everything with soups. Okay, generally your vegetables aren't going to be as crunchy as they normally would, especially with the already cooked greens, the onions, and everything else, the carrots. They may be a little bit more flavorful, but you want it to cook down to the point where it's not too soggy, but you know, has a tad of a crunch, a little bit of a crunch. So yeah, how long has it been? Let me check. It is 12:29. I believe it's been about 20 minutes. So this should probably be just about finished. We're going to turn it down to a 2 on the dial and start on our grilled cheese. Alright, so like I said, I was making something that's kind of like a comfort food. Well, it is a comfort food. It's basically a childhood favorite of a lot of people. So it's a grilled cheese, but with a twist. Now the twist is the cheeses that I'm using and the bread. Now we have this farmhouse sweet Hawaiian bread. Alright, so we have my little take on a sweet and salty kind of lunch or dinner dish. And the bread should be just what we need for that sweetness, alright? Now we have the butter, of course, is what you need if you're making a bomb grilled cheese. I'm trying not to use, like I said, I was trying to be healthy, so I'm not going to drown it in butter, but I may, you know, fry both sides in butter anyway, because that's what I like to use to make it that good, perfect golden brown. And then for the cheeses, we have pepper jack, that smoked gouda that I cut up earlier, and then a Colby Jack mix. I'm thinking about mixing this. I may not. It's not too much of it left, but yeah, Colby Jack, which is a blend of Colby and Monterey Jack cheeses. So that should be, you know, bomb as hell. Bomb as fuck. Bomb that bomb. Alright, so let's get our knife and turn this dial on to about 5. Let that heat up a little bit. And add the butter so it can cook down. It's really margarine, so it's already smooth and creamy. So it shouldn't take that long to cover the whole pan. Alright. And while you do that, of course, you have to keep a lookout for your soup. Make sure it's not burning. Maybe I'll taste it a little bit more. I'll do another taste test to make sure it's to my liking. Now, I don't want to add the... Let me turn that. I don't want to add the sriracha because I don't want it to be spicy. But you can add whatever kind of seasonings to make it spicy as well. Like, what do we have? Paprika, cumin. What's a spicy kind of seasoning? What else can you add? Pepper, seasoning, pepper. Crushed red pepper. Yeah, crushed red pepper. So, you can add that as well. Alright. Another taste test. That broth is perfect. Not too salty, so it's really good. It's still hearty with all the vegetables and everything. So it's pretty much done. The beans are soft. The vegetables are just crunchy enough to be, crunchy and soft enough to be in my soup. Okay, so this butter is basically cooking down. It's melted properly. I'm going to turn it up a little bit because I want this and turn this other dough off. I want this grilled cheese to cook fast, so I'm turning it on 7. Alright, so while that butter cooks, we're going to get our bread ready. These are thick cuts. I like to use a thick bread because I don't want it to be too cheap, because you know how you have the regular Wonder bread that kind of gets soggy really fast and tears up and you can barely flip it over with your spatula and it just is a mess to make with a grilled cheese. You want a good sturdy bread, like a good, you know, strong bread to hold all of the cheese and like be able to cook down and fry and not be, you know, torn apart. So this farmhouse is the perfect one that I got. Maybe you can get something a little fancy. Maybe you can do, you know, hamburger buns if you want. You can do French bread if you want. You can do a sub if you want for a grilled cheese. But I chose to use, you know, sandwich bread. So this is what we're doing today. Alright, let me open this thing. Pop that thing open. It ain't popping open. Okay, look. This bread wanna give me a hard time. Where my scissors at? Okay, so we're gonna cut this open. There we go. And I don't like to use the end pieces. I actually throw them away. This Hawaiian bread, so I might just eat the end pieces myself, just because. Let me put that away. All right, so we have 2 pieces. See, it's frying. And it's bubbling up. All right, so we add the first piece. Let that cook down. Put the dough on a 6. Of course, we turn the stove off for the soup, so that's kind of cooking and simmering down and maybe, you know, cooling down. So yeah, we're letting that bread fry, and now we're gonna add the pepper jack first. Didn't open it, of course, so let's tear here. This thing is so irritating. I had to use my scissors all day to open everything, because nothing wants to open where it's supposed to. It's a faulty ass. It's a faulty. There we go. Okay, so I just want to use 1 piece of pepper jack cheese. Adding that to the bread. Then I cut up a little bit of pieces of the smoked gouda earlier. So we have the pieces that we're going to build and add to the bread, the sandwich as it fries. So we have, you know, some cuts over here. I tried to do one cut of it. I really wanted to use gouda the most, but I want to keep it just in case I decide to make a grilled cheese late at night or like 12 a.m. cravings. You know how that goes. I just make me a bomb ass grilled cheese. So I tried to use one cut of that, one slice of it. Now we're gonna add the Colby Jack. It's shredded, so you have to be careful to not spill it in the pan. Just use about 2 small handfuls of it. Of course, I got it in the pan anyway. There's no way around that when you're using shredded cheese. I should have got the slices, but I already had this in my refrigerator. I was about to say the microwave. I already had it in my refrigerator, so I thought might as well use that. Okay, add your other slice to the pan. Let that cook down. Now, some people don't like to smush their grilled cheese together as they cook it. I like to smash it down as it fries to make it fry a little faster and make the cheese, make sure every single layer of the cheese is melted properly. So, I'm tasting everything. Alright, let me see if that perfect golden brown. So, we're gonna let that. We're gonna smush it over. You always want to check your pieces. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter to that too. You always want to make sure each side is cooked perfectly. I do anyway. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I know, you know, exactly when I flip it over, and sometimes it's just like a fail where I end up burning one side and the other side is perfect. So this time we're trying to get both sides to be that perfect golden brown. You know what I mean? Like you got it from the restaurant or a diner or something. So we're gonna let that butter melt down. It's bubbling. We're gonna cook the other side down. Don't forget to smush it as you go. And I kind of rotate around the bread to make sure it's evenly grilled. Okay, let me check the other side to make sure it's perfect too. It ain't, so we're gonna let it cook down a little bit more. Alright, our soup is still about done. I can't wait to try everything. Of course, I have to do the plating, and we already have 35 minutes down. It should take about an extra 2 minutes, and then I can finally do my plating. Alright, so this thing is going a little longer than I thought it would today, but it's fine. We're almost done. I just want y'all to see how I plate my food today. Now, I don't want to have too big of a portion, so I'm going to use about 3 spoons of my big spoon just to scoop up the vegetables and the beans together. Alright, and then you're going to dip it in to make sure you get some broth in there as well. Using 3 big spoonfuls of broth, probably about 3.5. Like I said, I like it brothy. So we have that. I didn't add the spinach, so we're just going to use that as a fancy kind of garnishment. And then we're going to put the Italian seasoning on top of that. This thing is not open. I had to open everything beforehand. This is what I get for it. Come on now. Now nothing wants to open for me. Use my spoon. There we go. Alright, so put that thing back in there. And just add the Italian seasoning around it so it's gonna look nice and green. Alright, we got our spoon right here. The grilled cheese, dun, 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 dun. It's done. Look at that. Perfection. Okay, I told y'all I could be top chef or something out here. This is what we doing. Look at that. Beautiful. And it tastes so good. Let me take a bite of that grilled cheese. Oh my god. I'm so happy I decided to use that Hawaiian bread because it's sweet and salty and cheesy. Oh my god, it's so perfect. It's a little spicy, zesty, and just amazing. I love grilled cheese. Like, if I could eat a grilled cheese every day, I would. And that grilled cheese, wow, amazing. Alright, so this has been my Ratchet Baby kitchen, cooking a bean soup with some vegetables, but basically a bean soup, and grilled cheese. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like to, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me cook any other ingredients or you want to see more of these, just let me know in the comments. And I'll be sure to try to think of some more recipes to make for you guys. And hopefully you enjoyed it. Y'all have a beautiful weekend. Peace and love.